have a heart. It doesn't matter where you come from or who you think you are. These days, it's hard just fitting in. Why does someone have to lose for someone else to win? We're all looking